You're looking here at this super cool sport scooter. I love the blue. You get to see this is a sport model here as well. It rides really nice. Has the large rubber tires on the front, on the back, and the front. Large tubes to give lots of stability. Rubber grips. And it's kind of really built for safety, as you can see there. Not only does it have a light, it has a daylight running light. It has the reflector there in the front. Has your side reflectors. And down by the wheel as well. Has your back reflectors here. And your back light and brake light. And of course the same on the other side. When you download the app, you pair it with your Bluetooth. You actually have a safety video to watch before you can really use it. So just keep that in mind. It's all for safety. And you also have an e-save till you get so many riding experience to unlock the power of this 300-watt motored scooter, which peaks at 600 watts and can peak at 17 miles per hour. I love the smooth disc brakes as well. Charge time, and the charge area is really nice, easy to find. Right here, pull the flap down, charge it, 6 hours, gives you a full charge. This is your display up here, letting you see the charge. When it's charging, all that moves there. You see the Bluetooth connection there as well. You have a bell. You have a strap here to hold on to your things, which I think is great. You can hang things from there. You have your large deck, rubberized as well. I think that's like 9.5 inches. You get to see just really smooth riding scooter. Absolutely love it. With rising gas prices, I can get around and commute on this, believe it or not, and I'm not ashamed to do it. It is a great scooter, sporty look to it as well. Has one brake up here, which works both the disc and the drum. They probably people were like, that's probably a safety feature instead of having a front and people going over the top handlebars. Very easy to put together. There's just really connect the wire first, then the 4 screws right into there. It's packaged well and arrived safe and sound, and absolutely love riding this thing, and a lot of fun, easy riding, and nice safety features. I took some pictures of the app to kind of familiarize yourself with it. Connects kind of like with Google, I think. And so you have your whole map display. You get to see how many miles you put on, your start, your stop time, shows you where you're going and on the map, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, the app, it surprised me. I actually kind of enjoyed it. So there it is, and a lot of fun to ride.
All right, this is pretty cool. Runs real smooth. I mean, it's like a Tesla. You have to use the app to do it, and then you have to ride a certain amount of time before it allows you to change the speed modes. So you have to kind of do like the kindergarten mode initially. But little bell, your speed, your brake, and it tells you your speed and all that good stuff, and it just runs real smooth. Watch out, babe.
Ding ding.
It goes fast. That's fine. All right, thanks for watching.